A single tagged tailgate video showed up in a custody hearing, and everything changed. Welcome to Danny's Den. Let's chat. Picture an Eagles tailgate. Kids on laps, a few beers on the table, someone shouting off camera. A friend tags a clip. That 12-second clip ended up on a court table. Suddenly, a weekend becomes part of a legal question about judgment and safety. In 10 minutes, I'll walk you through what actually happens when posts and messages meet a courtroom, practical steps you can take tonight, and a quick checklist so you don't go to bed worrying. Here's the core rule. Treat social posts like evidence, because the court will. Okay, basics first. Public posts, private messages, screenshots, videos, even tags and comments can be offered as evidence. Courts care about content, context, and whether the material is authentic. Quick myth check. Deleted doesn't always mean gone. Platforms may retain records. Opposing counsel can subpoena data, and other people often have copies. Another myth. Screenshots are worthless. Not true, but screenshots are weaker than originals and easier to contest. So assume anything you or others post could be pulled into a legal thread. Let me give 3 anonymized examples, short and real feeling. 1. Weekend photos that suggested a child was unsupervised at a party. Not one photo alone, but it started questions about safety. 2. DMs printed and used to show a pattern of hostility during a breakup. 3. A sideline clip that led a school to open an investigation into a volunteer coach. Each item didn't win the case by itself, but each opened doors. Context matters. A laughing clip cut from a longer video can look careless. A single angry message looks worse if it's part of a pattern. So when you preserve content, preserve context too. Coaches, pay attention. Sideline videos, group chats, and team pages are hotbeds for accidental exposure. A joke in a private chat can end up public. Keep disciplined conversations off social and set clear rules about tagging and live streams. All right, practical, bite-sized steps you can do if something might matter later. If you can download the original file, do it. Save the raw video or image. Can't download? Take a clear screenshot and immediately note the date and time in a separate note. Don't rely on memory. Copy the post URL. Save a PDF of the public page when you can. Browser print to PDF works fine. For apps, note the platform and the user who posted it. On iPhone, use Save to Files or the app's download option. On Android, look for Download or use the official app's Save feature. For Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook posts, copy the URL and save a PDF copy. Don't crop, don't edit, and avoid applying filters. Alterations make authenticity questions louder in court. Keep a short log, who posted it, who shared it, and when you found it. That timeline is gold when things get contested. If there's immediate risk to a child or someone's safety, contact local authorities and an attorney right away. For reputational issues, start with preservation and a polite takedown request, and document that request. A quick word on metadata. Original files often have timestamps, device info, even GPS. Screenshots usually don't. Platforms can strip or change metadata, so originals or platform-preserved records are stronger if authenticity is challenged. Music and fan footage sneak into cases more than you think. A playlist or a rowdy fan video won't prove failure alone, but paired with other things, it colors the story. Keep team playlists appropriate and get parental permission before sharing footage of minors. Privacy habits that actually help. Make accounts private if you want control. Enable two-factor authentication. Use strong, unique passwords and set tag approvals so nothing appears on your profile without your okay. Teach a pause before post rule with your kids. For teens, create a simple media policy. Who can post, who approves tags, and what's off limits. Okay, quick checklist you can use tonight. Lock privacy settings. Enable two-factor authentication. Back up any content that matters. Screenshot with timestamps. Copy URLs and save PDFs. And document who shared what and when. If you suspect legal risk, contact an attorney before you file anything in court. Chain of custody and formal preservation requests matter, and your lawyer will tell you exactly what to do next. Treat social posts like evidence, because the court will. If this episode helped, subscribe to Danny's Den so you don't miss future conversations about law, love, parenting, sports, and pop culture. If you have a specific situation and want to see if I can help, send a direct message or email me at danielle@thelegalassistancecenter.net to book a free 30-minute consultation. Let's chat. Thanks for listening. You've taken a good step by tuning in. Protect the moments that matter and be thoughtful about the ones you share. See you next week.